So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll also share with you the walk-in drive updates that are going to happen and are happening. So the first walk-in drive interview update is with respect to the 1 to 3 years of experience people. So they are hiring candidates with 1 to 3 years of experience, and you can see they are looking for someone who has got strong knowledge of SDLC, STLC, test planning, test execution, and someone who is capable of writing detailed test cases, test reporting, ensuring test coverage, experience with bug tracking system and modern QA tools. And if you're interested, you can share your CV, or you can also attend the walk-in drive that is starting from tomorrow onwards, 17th of December to 19th of December. So that would be Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So 11 a.m. onwards, and these are the details. It's an Gurgaon based company. And this is the email address where you can share your resume as well. Then next opportunity is with respect to the agentic AI systems. And if you are looking forward to work on agentic AI systems, cutting edge automation, then you can apply over here. So it's a remote job. They are looking for SDET professionals. And this is the form, this is the application that you have to fill. Then there's a requirement for senior automation test engineer, Python robot framework, network products, and they are looking for senior automation test engineer specializing in network automation and test strategies for routers, switches. And there's a link wherein you can apply. Then Cognizant is also hiring for multiple automation testing roles across experience. So they are looking for performance testing, 5 to 10 years of experience with skill set in tools like JMeter, LoadRunner, NeoLoad, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Kolkata. These are all the locations wherein you can apply. And this is the email address. Right. Then TCS walk-in hiring drive is there. So that would be on 20th of December. So the location is provided. It would be at Hyderabad, TCS Synergy Park, that is CMC campus itself. And it is in Hyderabad, Telangana. And in Bangalore also it is going to be there. So it would be at again at TCS Think campus office, right? So this is again Bangalore. So multiple positions are there. So as you can see, performance engineering, control M engineering, Windows admin, service now developer, automation testing, Java microservices, service desk. So all these openings are there with respect to TCS company. Then the next opportunity is again a walk-in drive update, which is on 20th of December. So the timings would be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the eligibility criteria is also given, what all things they are looking for. So these all details are necessary. Then another requirement is with respect to the manual tester role. So many people are telling that there are no jobs for manual testing. There is no requirement for functional testing. So it's not like that. The requirement is there. And before you do the automation, you have to do manual testing till the application, till the flow becomes stable. Okay. So this is again a manual tester opportunity in Gurugram hybrid mode for someone with 2 to 5 years of experience, and they are looking for full some candidate with full-time education 2021 to 24, someone who has worked in North India, minimum 2 years of stability per organization, willingness to take a coding test, and ability for face-to-face discussions. Right. So this is with respect to the manual testing role. Then, if you meet this requirement, so there is a consultancy. This is actually a consultancy. So Sonal at the rate of skyleaf.global is a consultancy, and they are sharing all these job opportunities. So whatever the jobs that we are getting from LinkedIn, from Naukri, we are consolidating those jobs and we are putting it over here, right? So go through the job description once, and then you can apply at your own convenience, right? Then there's a requirement for SDET role for Global Payments Inc. and the location is Pune. That is a hybrid location. The skill set that they are looking is for automation testing, Selenium WebDriver, mobile automation, right? The general automation things. And this is again a remote job. It's a good company for testers, which is hiring for remote, and years of experience is 6 plus years. So they are looking for immediate or early joiners. And if you can, if you want referral, you can share your email on this particular email address, right? Share your CV on this particular email address. Then EVA is also looking for QA automation candidates with experience in proficiency in Java, 5 years, proficiency in BD Cooper, 3 years, API automation, 3 years, Git 1 year, payment framework implementation, 3 years, Postman 2 to 3 years. So location is Bangalore, and they are looking for someone who can join immediately. P Square company is looking for a QA with hands-on experience in manual testing and automation testing. So these are the requirements that they are given. 1+ year of experience in software testing, strong knowledge of manual testing, experience in automation testing, right? So all these things are required. Then there's one more requirement for hiring software tester, 1 to 2 years of experience. It is at Navi Mumbai location. And then you have got 2 years. Yeah. So then you have got opportunity for QA, manual testing, automation testing, AWS, and the location is Bangalore. So someone who can join immediately, they are looking for that. 3 to 5 years of experience is required, and budget is up to 50 LPA. Okay. So these are few of the job opportunities for testers, for freshers, as well as for experience. So we'll continue coming up with such kind of content, with such kind of videos so that you can apply for the jobs directly. And let us know if anything else, if any other assistance is required. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.